In today's video, I will show you how to turn off birthday notifications on the Facebook app for Android. To get started, open the Facebook app on your device and make sure you are logged in. Once you're on the home page, tap the menu bar. From the menu, scroll down and tap on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings, or simply tap the gear icon at the top. Once you are in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find the Notifications section and tap on it. Under the What Notifications You Receive list, find Birthdays and click it. To stop receiving these alerts, simply toggle off the switch for Allow Notifications on Facebook. A confirmation window will pop up to make sure you want to disable them. Just click Turn Off to confirm. This will stop those daily reminders about your friends' birthdays from appearing on your phone. And that's it! That's how you turn off birthday notifications on Facebook for Android. Thank you for watching.